multiplying by 3 digit by 11. Example, 203 times 11. First in line, look at the given. The last digit is 3. Then add 1 plus 3 equals 4. Move to other number, 2 plus 1 equals 3. And then copy the first number is 2. So, if you multiply 213 times 11, it equals to 2,343. Okay, class? Next in line is 412 times 11. First, copy 2. Add 2 plus 1 is 3. Add 1 plus 4 is 5. Then copy 4. So, 412 times 11 equals 4,532. I will give you one number to answer. Example, 531 times 11. So, this is unknown. Okay, please try on your example. Thank you and good luck to everyone.